Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Android Studio. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, what we need to do is basically simple thing. Just go to the official website, developer.android.com. Under the development, you will see here download option, and then what you need to do is just download Android Studio Panda 4. You will click on this link. Then what you are going to do is simply just use basically this file that you will get, Android Studio Panda 4 patch 1 for Windows. Click on it, and then you will just need to navigate through the system to install the Android Studio, and simply like that you will get basically working workspace. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.